Hi everyone, welcome to Moko Broche Knits, and today we're going to learn how to increase a stitch for the gloves and here we have a wrist part where I knitted one rib around, and this tail is where I started my stitches, and this over here, this right stitch over here is my first stitch for the round, and this is my last stitch. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to start increasing stitches to allow the thumb space. So how are we going to do that? Okay, see that in between these two stitches, the first and the last stitch, there's actually a yarn over here in between. We're going to make use of this yarn and we're going to increase one stitch. Okay, so first we're going to go behind this yarn and pull it up. And once we pull this up, we are going to hook this on the left needle, and from this position we are going to make a knit stitch by wrapping over the right yarn and pulling the yarn out of the needle, and ta-da! You have your first increased stitch.